Hi, good morning to everyone. I am Shivaraman from T&L Capital Consultancy Private Limited. So we just wanted to highlight the weekly status update for the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the upcoming week, which is on from 16th March 2026. So we are going to see some technical level details on where Nifty and Bank Nifty is going to proceed in the next 5 working days. Okay, so let's start with Nifty 50. If you see, the Nifty 50 has already crossed the 100-day moving average, which stands at 24,448, and it is heading towards 21,648. This is on Nifty. So we have a support line which is at 21,774, but 200-day moving average, it will be like a pulling magnet, so it will reach there. So hopefully we can expect the Nifty in the upcoming days can move from 23,151 to 21,700, something like that. So during this weekend, US has already hit the Cog Island, which is in Iran, and where 90% of the oil production is happening for Iran. So in the coming week also we are expecting some retaliation from Iran to Israel as well as to US and neighboring countries as well. So the current hit happened from UAE region, that is the neighbor of Iran's country, and it hit the Cog Island. So this is just a small update on the war front. So the war strength, if you see, it is keep on increasing, it is not reducing. The level of war pressure is keep on increasing, so we can expect some more crude oil prices increased. And last week Friday evening, if you see, it has crossed already $100 per barrel. So already it made a high of around $120 to $125 in the last week. So coming week we can expect some more increase in the value of barrel rate on oil, crude oil. So because of this, hopefully the market, again they are going to bring it down, and we can see Nifty and Bank Nifty will fall further more down, and there could be some recovery for this Nifty Weekly Expiry, which is on Tuesday, that is on 17th of March. So that also we are going to see how the Nifty recovery and Bank Nifty recovery, and on how many points it will going to increase, recover from the last week history. We can check in our upcoming, we can check it out. So this is what for the Nifty 50, where the 100-day moving average is broken, and it has come to it is going to reach 200-day moving average. So if you come to Nifty Bank, exactly Nifty Bank is at 100-day moving average. Okay, so this is, if you see, this is a 100-day moving average, and once if it tries to reach this level 47,832 or 4800, where our 200-day moving average is coming, hopefully it is going to hit that level as well. Okay, this is on from the moving average perspective on a weekly note. So now let's move to daily time frame. So from the day, it has already reached 23,151. So we are going to see a gap down. So that gap down, we don't know, like around 500 points or 300 points. We are expecting 300 to 500 point gap down on coming Monday. So this level 21,753 is a strong support area, and this is the level where on June 4th, where our PM elected on the third time. So it was made a low on 4th June, which is at 21,281. So hopefully we should pray that this should not be broken. If it is broken, then we have next level at 18,837, which is formed before 2024. Okay, so down the line we can see where it is going down. So now coming to Bank Nifty, the Bank Nifty, if you see, it is standing in the breakdown level, which is at 20,53,613. So we are going to expect some gap down on Monday, which is tomorrow morning, and we expect it will go up to 52,000, something like that, 52,000, and from there some recovery happens and it come up to 53,757 for the Nifty Weekly Expiry, which is on Tuesday. So once this level 52,000 is broken down, then it heads up to 47,752. And coming to this last June 3rd, the level made at the low of 46,077. so let's see, within this week it is going to reach 47,700 and 46,110. let's see how it moves forward. If the war front, if the pressure is keep on increasing, hopefully we are going to see the level up to 46,110. okay, now let's move to 15 minutes time frame. This 15 minutes time frame, why I just wanted to highlight is on last 9th and 10th, which is on March 9th and 10th, there was a low made at, from the 8th, sorry, from 6th Friday evening low, it made a gap down, and on 9th morning it made a low of 23,700. From there, on Monday and Tuesday, due to Nifty weekly expiry, the put options would have increased, so call options is already reduced, so around 600 points recovery happened within this 2 days. So hopefully we are expecting the same thing in this coming week also, that this 600 points recovery in Nifty 50. So from there, on Wednesday onwards, it made a fall from 24,300 and until it made up to 23,151. So it is close to 1,150 points low made within this last 3 days. So we are expecting some recovery. So hopefully on once tomorrow morning, Monday market opens, from the low made, from there we can expect some kind of recovery, about 600 points, 500 to 600 points to cover the Nifty weekly expiry on 17th of March. So this is just a history, we just wanted to review it. So we move to next to the Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty also, if you see Bank Nifty on last Friday, which is on 6th of March, it made a low of 57,700. So 57,700 and made a gap down, and it opened and closed. Made a low of 55,300. So there was a recovery of around 1,700 points in Bank Nifty, which is on last Monday and until Tuesday evening. So this week also we are expecting, but if you notice in Bank Nifty, compared to Nifty, Bank Nifty did not even touch the recent low on 6th March, which is 57,700. It made a high up to 57,197, and from next Wednesday, which is on 11th onwards, it made a started coming down. So it was a steep fall only. So 57,100 until 57,000 to 53,757, so which is close to 3,250 points down made within this last 3 days. Okay, so now let's move to Fibonacci chart on Nifty 50. So this is the low on last which is on 7th April 2025, made at 21,754 on Nifty. From there it made a pull up and it went up to 26,371. This was the high made on 2nd of January this year. So from there, once this news started coming of war front, it made a big fall and it came up to 23,151. So if you see, there is another room for 1,200 to 1,500 points drop. So after that, this is the last June low at 21,281. Okay, which is where the PM is selected as the third time. So our next support will be at 18,900. So this is on the Nifty front. So it's already made, around the Fibonacci retracement made around 65 to 70%. It has come down from the recent high. So when it comes to Bank Nifty on 11th of March, it made a low of 47,731. So from there it started pulling up and it went up to 61,785. So from there, after the ones that this war news front came, it started coming down and it made a low of around close to 62% of Fibonacci retracement has happened. So this the third line, 1, 2, 3. This is the third point where it is going to break down. So we are expecting until here, which is 52,040. So tomorrow, Monday, we can expect up to this level. So from here, it can start pull up upside for the Nifty weekly expiry, and hopefully it will not reach to this level also, which is 53,500. So then again, it is going to fall back on which is on from Wednesday morning onwards. So this is what our prediction it is. So that's it. So thanks for watching this video. So from TNL Capital Consultancy, from our company, we used to conduct 2 days offline workshops program in major India cities. So what is these 2 days workshops which we conduct, and what all the topics will be covered? The first one is positional option selling. So this is for mainly for HNI clients requirement, as well as for retailers, those who are having the capital of more than 10 lakhs rupees. And we cover positional option breakout or breakdown buying. This is for positional basis. We provide and we train the people on how to positionally buy the options on what kind of market scenarios. And the third option we have is the intraday trading. So due to this high VIX volatility environment, positional we cannot go forward, because the reason is a major gap ups or gap downs will be there. So that's why we cover the intraday trading, on what basis we can do intraday trading and how to do it and how to make profits with the proper hedging and proper knowledge we provide in this training. So those who are interested can contact the below 4 given options through our website, through our X handle. Also, you can send an email to this mail ID. So you can contact us for the 2 days offline program training. Thank you.